PPP loan updates. PPP loan opening back up. Is it closed? We got a lot of people that's offering PPP forgiveness help. So this video, I just want to leave the discussion board open. If you guys got questions, we're gonna go into these questions. I'm gonna reply back to a lot of you guys' questions, and let me know where you guys stand as well. Now, if you guys haven't already know, the PPP, it is over. It's been over for about 3 to 4 months right now, but people are still in the process of either receiving their funds going into a different account, their account being closed, being hacked, or still in the process of still waiting on the money. Even though the PPP officially has been ended, that really doesn't mean anything if you're still in the process, if you are one of the ones who are still kind of like in the middle, right? So it's not ended for you, but it's also, it's not open, so you're like right in the middle. So I'm gonna get to the screenshot. I don't want to let you guys know I'm doing a giveaway, so you guys want to like and subscribe. You guys can actually comment below and just tell me to enter you in a giveaway. I'm going to be entering you in a giveaway, which I will be doing tomorrow. Wow, time is flying. So I will be doing a giveaway tomorrow. So just comment below, say enter me in a giveaway. You guys already know I will do this giveaway each and every month. Hope you guys are having an amazing morning, amazing day. Spread some positivity. But we're gonna get right to the screenshot. So this was somebody who actually wants to help. So like I said, if you guys are confused about anything, whether it is taxes, whether it is stimulus checks, whether it is PPP loans, grants, any of that nature, feel free to drop a comment below. Let me get to say hi everyone. I have seen a lot of misinformation and general confusion regarding the Paycheck Protection Program. As a full-time credit analyst, I work day in and day out with this program and would like to help out some businesses in need. If you need help either filling your forgiveness application, have general questions regarding the program, or have completed the application yourself and just need a second opinion, please comment below. So comment below if you guys got questions, if you guys are want to apply, want to do anything, comment below, and we'll get to some of these comments and concerns. Because like I said, there's still tons of people out there who either still waiting to get funded, or they got funded, or it says they're funded and they haven't been funded. So keep that in consideration as well. Somebody said, what if you got approved for a PPP loan but never received? They sent it to the wrong account. The bank sent it back. They told me give a right account and it'll be sent back 7 to 21 days. Never came. The lender Harvest changed their number and still ain't heard from them. Now SBA calling me saying I need to file my forgiveness loan. What am I filing for? Wow, what a choice of words and spelling. But yeah, I'm in the same boat. I'm trying the Treasury Department. Check there. It's on the SBA website. So that is one thing you guys can do. Check the SBA website. Try to get into the Treasury. Try to get to somebody who can get in contact. But guys, use the PPP forgiveness portal. You guys can Google that. You guys can Google SBA. You guys can Google SBA Treasury. And try to get a phone number, because this ain't the first time I heard somebody in this situation, right? Where the funds was supposedly sent to an account. They checked that account, and that account was a wrong account. So what they do is they try to correct that account, and by them actually getting in contact with somebody, that bank or lender said, okay, we're going to transfer the funds to another account. And by them doing that, it actually didn't help. It never worked. So now, even up to this day, they are still waiting for those funds. Now imagine having to wait for the funds for 5 months, 6 months, and knowing that the PPP loans were specifically for people who were in need, and for businesses who were in need. And now you have to wait half a year, or you're still waiting half a year for these funds. So Imagine that. Somebody said I'm also on the same boat. Never received a loan, but it's saying I got it. Can anybody help me and let me know what I can do? I'm trying the Treasury Department on the SBA website. Maybe the ones that are going through the same thing should link up. So guys, let me know if you're going through this, because I know tons of people. Tons of people are going through this, and it's a tough situation because, on the file, it's going to look like you received your PPP loan, but like I said, in reality, you haven't received anything. So it is one of those things. It is very, very, very tough situation, and when it comes down to it, you're going to have to verify all the information. So you definitely have to verify all that information. Somebody said, do you know how long after forgiveness should QUINTiN change to paid in full? I received my forgiveness letter back in August, but my QUINTiN still shows dispersed current. Thank you. When you say forgiveness letter, is it a letter with a header from the SBA? It should say the legal business name, amount, dispersed, interest paid, and date. If you received this letter, I would disregard what QUINTiN says. The letter you received is direct acknowledgement from SBA that they have remitted funds to the lender to pay off your loan. Honestly, internally, QUINTiN might just be a mess, and that is why you are still seeing the status. Hold on to that letter and keep it in a safe place. So yeah, if you receive something in the mail and it's not what you seeing online, keep those letters, guys, because that is your proof and verification that either you were funded or either that your PPP, whatever that letter says, that's your verification. So keep that, because if you lose that and the website doesn't change, guess who's going to be liable for that? So keep that in consideration as well. Somebody said my lender is Bedworth. They keep telling me to wait for SBA to update their portal. They act shady and never gave me a direct answer if they received the payment. Somebody said, can we file this ourselves if our lender isn't doing it? Filed in January, and it's going into November, and they haven't submitted it. Even filed a BBB complaint. My second was forgiven already within 5 days. Somebody said you can file your forgiveness application directly with the lender, who has 60 days to process it, or you can file it directly with the SBA. Your lender is participating in the SBA direct forgiveness platform. Although I would like to confirm with the Treasury Department's guidance, I'm fairly certain that first and second draw forgiveness applications must be submitted at the same time. So the lender may have submitted it, but the SBA could very well be the holdup. It's tough to say without more information, though. Then they also begin to say they have refused to submit it, saying they can't verify my documentation. And looking through Reddit, I am not the only one with issues with this company. I had different lenders for 1 and 2. Lender 2 signed up for direct forgiveness. So guys, try to get in contact with the SBA Treasury. Google, your local treasuries, local, if you gotta go to the council, if you gotta go to these websites, email people you've talked to prior to getting this PPP loan and see what is the best thing that you can do, because at the end of the day, you don't want to be stuck having to pay for something that you could get forgiven. So keep that into consideration. Somebody said if you go on the SBA forgiveness portal, there is no documentation required. It takes less than 5 minutes to complete. I didn't mind and was forgiven within 2 days. They are not asking for documentation because of COVID. So I said, not necessarily true. The forgiveness application that you complete and your loan amount dictate whether or not you need to submit supporting documentation. If you complete the 3508S, you do not need to submit documentation, but you should keep the documentation that you use to calculate your forgiveness amount in the event the SBA requested. If you complete if the other two forms, there is required documentation. So guys, best thing to do is, you may have to look into older emails, but around the time when you were first applying, contact those people and see, hey, is the website gonna get updated? Am I gonna get forgiven? It's saying I got an amount that I didn't get. If that's the case as well, contact your bank, see what's going on. You want to talk to as many people as possible. And it's unfortunate, and it could be a lot. It could be time consuming, right? But you got to do what you got to do, because you're dealing with thousands and thousands of dollars. And then if you don't get this situated, guess who's got to pay it back? You're got to pay it back. And some people are paying back on money that they never even received. So imagine that, like, you're paying on money you haven't even received. So keep that in your mind as well. But that, as always, my name is Quentin Banks. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will actually pin a playlist. So if you guys got any more questions, I'm going to actually post a playlist in the description as well. So yeah, drop the comments below. As always, stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. PPP loan scams, Instagram scams. Guys, you guys need to be careful, especially when you're trusting other people to deposit cash. Whether you're trying to deposit, whether you're trying to withdraw, whatever the case may be, make sure you guys are being careful out there, And just know at the end of the day, in reality, you really can't trust anybody. We'll say that. You really just can't trust anybody. But we're going to get into this. We definitely gonna get into this, but I want to let you guys know as well, I'm doing a giveaway